I want to show you two formulas. Permutation, here on the left, is when order matters. So let's say you had 10 people and you want to see how many 3-man slates you can come up with. A slate meaning the first person chosen will be for president, the second one will be vice president, and the last one will be secretary. So Sue, Harry, Rita means something different than Harry, Sue, Rita. Okay? Because in the first case, Sue is president, and in the second case, Harry is president. So order matters. And this would be the formula you would use. You say N choose R. And you've got these factorials, which we've seen before. Okay, combination is where order does not matter. That would be if you want to figure out if you have 10 people and you want to come up with how many subcommittees. A subcommittee is just 3 people. It doesn't matter what order it is. Same thing for let me see, which one are we doing? Same thing for a team. You got 12 teams. If Team A plays Team B, that's the same thing as B playing Team A. So in this particular one, we're trying to figure out how many games will be played, and you only have 2 teams playing against each other. So it's going to be 12 choose 2. And that'll be 12 factorial over, that's an R, by the way, if you can't read my writing, 2 factorial over 12. Let me get my eraser. Over 12 minus 2 factorial. So that's 12 factorial over 2 factorial. 12 minus 2 is 10. Now watch what I do here. I'm going to expand the numerator. That's 12 times 11 times 10 factorial. I'm going to stop right there at 10 factorial. I'm not going to write it all down because then I can cancel the 10 factorial in the bottom. So those cancel. And 2 factorial is just 2. If it's 2 times 1 is 2. 2 will go into 12 6 times. 6 times 11 is 66. That's your answer.